Yo, what's up guys and welcome back. It's 2020, New Year's Day. We're heading up to Squaw. It is currently raining down in the valley right now, which I'm hoping will turn off some people from coming up. But we're headed up just to get the new year started right. Gonna ride a little bit, check out the park, see what they have going on. Catch you guys up on what's been happening. Went back home for the holidays, saw my family. I came up like just before the blackout dates for Squaw, but I was a genius and left my SD card for the GoPro in my computer from editing the edit from before. So, missed a whole day, but it wasn't bad. Just kind of took a free run, so pretty nice. And yeah, it's pretty socked in and cloudy, so we'll see what's going on. Yeah, so we're gonna gear up and head to the top. All right, guys, let's get after it. Yo! Alright guys, so I lost the explanation video from the chairlift because GoPro's touchscreen is way too sensitive and I accidentally switched to time lapse, so none of that footage is good, but I can explain it here. There's a flat box at the very top of the park, which is at kind of like a 90 degree to the rest of the park, which is really odd and super slow. And then if you continue down that line, there seems to be some small little jumps around the outside edge of the park. If you cut to the inside, you have the A-frame box, followed by a rainbow box, and then a small little kind of lip jump. They're kind of more like A-frame jumps, so it can get you used to jumping in the air, but not having to have a gap or any kind of a table, which is really nice for beginners. Then they have a rail line, which is a flat rail, a kind of like, you can ride on almost, but like a kind of street style down rail, and then a A-frame tube, which is pretty rad. And then jump lines, they actually have quite a few. So down the skier's left side, there's kind of two that you can get to really easily. The first one starts off with the flat box, and then the ones I hit in the video are all just kind of that same A-frame style lip jump. And they're only about, I'd say, 1.5 feet tall, so they're pretty small, pretty mellow. Just to the right of that, you've got some slightly bigger ones that are actually, I think, kind of built like tables. It was hard to see because the visibility was crap, but there's 3 of those as well. And then if you get off the lift and go left, so skier's right, there's 2 kind of cheese wedge style jumps, but they're set up as tables, so you don't really have to worry about making it over like a knuckle or anything too crazy. But they're only about 5 feet long. Pretty mellow. Overall, Belmont Park, super good beginner park, has a super short lift, so that like up and down time is actually pretty quick, which is nice. Alright, that's how wet and shitty it is. Cybo, nobody in line. Solo chair, and then not somebody for like 2 chairs up. It is terrible out right now. Yeah, I'm like gonna go up top across the Gold Coast if I can make it, and I'm going home. But yeah, New Year's Day 2020, heart check. This one's for you guys. Phew. Sketchy. Thanks to Squaw putting up the snow markers. I could not see where I was going. Hopefully we have enough speed to make it over. I can't see shit. Oh. What the fuck? up this. That's what they're calling training land. You gotta jump, tip, quarter post, jump. Yo. It is way too wet. I can come up here way too often to be riding this kind of weather. It's, yeah, as you can tell, my gear is absolutely soaked. Just the one spot right in here. Kind of dry up there. But park could have been fun, but with how wet it is, I'm not willing to stay. I'm just gonna go home. I got most of this month off, so I'm gonna be back up here way more days. And once this weather pattern comes through, it doesn't look like we have much coming up in the next week or so. And yeah, New Year's Day, Squaw Valley. Whew. If you're new here, subscribe because we got a bunch more content that's not riding in the rain coming soon. Hopefully it snows a lot more because we'll get some pow days in. If not, we're just hitting park for the rest of the season, I guess. And so hit the thumbs up if you found that park report helpful. Yeah, and have a good one, guys. Peace.